How to know if someone's on another call on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Go to the chat of the person that you want to see if they're in call or not. Then, start the audio call at the top. Press on call. Now, in here, simply see if it's ringing at the top or not. Ringing means the line is open and they are not in call with anybody. But if it shows calling and there is no option of ringing at the top below their name, that means they are in a call with someone else. And this is how to know if someone's on another call on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.